Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to find your IBAN number for Swedbank? It's super easy and I will show you how to find your IBAN number on Swedbank. First of all, open your browser. In the search bar, type Swedbank IBAN number calculating. Now enter your regular Swedbank account number here. Make sure it's correct. Hit calculate IBAN and in seconds, your internationally recognized IBAN number appears. That's it. Now you are all set for international transactions. It's a quick and simple and hassle-free. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.